Hello everyone, welcome back to Lynn's Homestead. Today, working on farm truck. That's right, farm truck. Uh, Day 2, trying to bleed the brakes. I put that new combination valve, which I'll show you shortly. And I'm going to show you what 2 pieces of wood and a clamp has to do with the bleeding process. So, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, smash that like button if you like what I do, and share it with friends. Okay, here we have a 72 GMC C1500 pickup. It's custom. It was only cabin chassis when it was ordered. It was a farm truck, it had a wooden flatbed on it when I bought the thing. I put new brakes. I've done a lot of work to this truck since I bought it in April of 2008. So, let me bring you in and show you the combination valve. Okay. Now, what is in here is a tool. I bought this with a combination of a wire connector because the old one was obsolete, and it came with this tool. This is a bleeding tool. Now, what you do, you take this sensor out. This unscrews 5/8 wrench, socket, whatever, and there's a groove in here on a rod. You got to make sure this thing's in the center. You can use a pick. You can look down in there. You can bring it through. The old one was seized. I could never reset this valve. You have to do this to bleed the brakes, no matter what you do to the brake system. All right. Make sure that thing's full. Put this in here. What I like to do is you press down on the pedal. You press on the pedal until you get a solid. Then I'll show you with this wood. Okay. So what I like to do, because the vacuum would not cooperate with me, what I would do is press down on the pedal. Okay? Press down on the pedal, and you'd clamp this. So when you press down, like that, to hold it, you loosen up the bleeder. You start from the furthest point. I started right rear wheel. It's the furthest from the master cylinder, farthest from the combination valve. When you get it opened up, no fluid comes out, you put your foot on the pedal, you run it to the floor, you expand this, reclamp, hold it. Go back to the bleeder, tighten up, repeat. Repeat that on all 4 wheels, and there you get a nice solid pedal. I tried a vacuum. I had no success. This way has always worked for me. Okay, now once everything's bled, you remove this tool. Now no brake fluid's going to come out of here. When I bought this valve with that wire connector, and that tool, see this has an O-ring, make sure it's on there. And you just screw the thing in place. Don't cross thread it, whatever you do. It doesn't have to be that tight. There's an O-ring to seal it. It's a 5/8, but I put all my tools away, so I figured, hey, let's use a crescent wrench. People having a party next door. Now, with that done, now we take this. It has, you see how it has the thing. It snaps down on this terminal that's in there. So when you put it on there, you just squeeze this and it should pop right off. Get started. Squeeze it. And it's on. And that is all you do to bleeding the brakes on a disc and drum system. So I hope you learned something in this video. And I'll see you here next time on Lynn's Homestead, where I do it all. We try not to hire in. We do it all. You have an awesome day.